Hello friends, today's topic markets down or up in 2025. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. FIIs appear to have done a complete U-turn in terms of their investment strategy the second half of December. The first half of December, FIIs invested around 14,500 crore in secondary markets but became net sellers in the second half, selling more than 15,000 crores worth of shares in Indian markets. Due to positive global cues, FIIs became net buyers in the first half of December. At that time, it looked like markets would recover. However, profit taking in the year-end portfolio adjustments has led to further weakness in the last 2 weeks of the month. However, FIIs have been investing in IPOs, hence they have not been completely selling. FIIs fund flow 2014 84,362 crores, 2015 minus 3,605 crores, 2016 10,296 crores, 2017 11,272 crores, 2018 minus 53,020 crores, 2019 72,208 crores, 2020 1 lakh 759 crores, 2021 minus 54,541 crores, 2022 minus 1 lakh 50,250 crores, 2023 plus 1 lakh 32,648 crores, and 2024 till 27 December minus 1 lakh 20,598 crores. In fact, the FI selling in 2024 is the second highest selling in the last 10 years. In 2022, FI sold stocks worth 1.5 lakh crores on a net basis. Indian markets are up around 8 to 9% for the calendar year 2024. The main reason for Indian markets to not fall much is because of DIIs have invested heavily. The net investment by DIIs in 2024 is around 5.1 lakh crores. In many ways, the markets have behaved similar to they have done in 2022. When FIIs sold stocks worth 1.5 lakh crores, Nifty closed only 4% higher for the calendar year. After a dull 2022, Nifty rallied by 20% in 2023. Similarly, first half of 2024 was good for markets and the second half has been quite weak. We need to see if markets can regain the momentum sometime next year after this consolidation. Analysts are expecting a quiet few months of 2025 before any major recovery or rally. Interest rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve is likely to be done only by the middle of 2025. At such a time, analysts expect FIIs to invest well in Indian markets. It is expected the FIIs will become net buyers once again next year. Until then, markets could move sideways or slightly weak. So don't have a very high expectation for some more months. However, it is good time to accumulate for long term and wait patiently for a new rally to start. We have been getting emails, comments on YouTube stating that they want to earn 30 to 50% per annum fixed returns through stock market trading. This is partly because of the greed in them and also many unethical YouTubers setting unrealistic expectations for investors. Such greed is most likely to end badly for many investors. The last 4 to 5 years, awareness about stock markets increased. More and more investors have entered the market. However, large number of them entered with wrong and unrealistic expectations of returns. They have entered the market with the idea of making quick money. There is a saying that people enter stock markets to earn money quickly, but the people who succeed are the ones who wait patiently for the money to grow. Such a mindset can be developed by a smaller percentage of people, and that is why only some people make money and most people lose money in stock markets. Here is a quote of Warren Buffett. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. You need to decide whether you want to be mature and understand how money is made in life, or you want to dream of quick money and lose your hard-earned money quickly. Most people will lose money and learn the lessons. Smart people will learn from other people's mistakes. At the end of the video, here is the question. Have you tried FNO, intra-trading, and then realized that it is not profitable? yes or no email type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.